The euro started its journey when 11 countries fixed their exchange rates and monetary policy was passed to the European Central Bank. 3 years later, euro coins and notes came into circulation. Over the years, 8 more countries joined the club. The euro's second decade was largely overshadowed by the crisis. 5 eurozone countries had to seek help amid increased speculation some might leave the euro. Emergency measures were introduced, including the European Stability Mechanism. And the need for a banking union emerged in order to prevent a repeat of the crisis in the future, when 7 remaining EU states are required to join the euro area once they meet the convergence criteria.